Let's focus now on Delhi, the third worst affected state in the country. In an endeavour to conduct more number of COVID-19 tests to take stock of the exact situation in the national capital, the Delhi government has commenced COVID-19 testing through the rapid antigen methodology in and around containment zones on Thursday. A total of 12,680 people have undergone rapid antigen testing in the national capital. Out of these, 951 have tested positive. Testing will continue with increased numbers in the coming days. There is a plan to conduct 600,000 rapid antigen tests at 169 facilities. People having mild symptoms or no symptoms at all can get themselves tested. Delhi continues to remain one of the worst affected, reporting also its highest single-day spike of 3,630 new COVID-19 cases, taking the total number of cases to over 53,000 now in Delhi. The death toll continues to rise, with 77 new fatalities being reported in the last 24 hours.
जो उसका जो रिजल्ट है वो बड़ा जल्दी आता है। वैसे जो रूटीन में जो टेस्ट हो रहे थे पहले, उसमें करीब 2 दिन हमें लगते थे रिजल्ट आने में। इसमें विद इन हाफ एन आवर आपको रिजल्ट मिल जाएगा। आप नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव हैं, विद इन हाफ एन आवर आपको जो रिजल्ट मिल जाएगा। तो उससे जो टेस्टिंग हमारी जो एक तो जो ड्यूरेशन है रिजल्ट का वो काफी कम हो जाएगा और हमारी जो टेस्टिंग स्पीड है वो बढ़ जाएगी।
कहीं और टेस्ट करवाने का सोचा था आपने कि यहीं पर आए, यहाँ पे टेस्ट मुफ्त भी हो रहा है?
नहीं, मुफ्त भी हो रहा है और यहाँ पे इजीली हो भी गया है। और जगह हम गाजियाबाद से आए हैं, गाजियाबाद में कहीं हमें कुछ मिला नहीं।
पहले आपने यहाँ टेस्ट करवाने की क्यों सोची? कहीं प्राइवेट में गई थी आप?
पहले प्राइवेट में गए थे, प्राइवेट में बहुत महंगा है, इसीलिए हम यहाँ आए।
Delhi government has started the antigen-based tests across the national capital. I am reporting from a containment zone in East Delhi, where behind me you'll see a line of people who live in containment areas have been called for an antigen-based test. The plus point of this test is that you don't have to wait for a long time. Just after the nasal swab is taken, it gives you the results in between 15 to 30 minutes. That is how long it takes just for an antigen-based test result. And it looks similar to a pregnancy test kit. The nasal swab is then inserted into that small kit and it gives you the correct result. The specificity of the antigen-based test kit is higher, and which is why it was approved by the ICMR for specific use in containment zones. It is absolutely free of cost for the people. And this is how Delhi is doing its bit to check for community transmission of the coronavirus. The testing capacity is also ramping up. This particular center used to do about 60 to 70 tests, but now per day more than 500 tests is what the target is after the introduction of the antigen-based test. With Anil Jaiswal in New Delhi, this is Milan Sharma.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.